Learn super useful English idioms and phrases. A rough patch. Meaning, a difficult or challenging time in life. I had a rough patch last year, but things are better now. They went through a rough patch in their marriage. A white lie. Meaning, a small lie told to avoid hurting someone. I told a white lie to make her feel better. Sometimes a white lie can save someone's feelings. A heavy heart. Meaning, feeling very sad. I left my hometown with a heavy heart. She said goodbye with a heavy heart. A close call. Meaning, a situation where something bad almost happened. That was a close call. The car almost hit us. It was a close call, but we arrived on time. A narrow escape. Meaning, escaping danger just in time. We had a narrow escape during the storm. It was a narrow escape from the burning house. A long shot. Meaning, something with a very small chance of happening. Winning the lottery is a long shot. It's a long shot, but we can try. A dark secret. Meaning, a serious or unpleasant secret that someone hides. He's hiding a dark secret from everyone. Everyone has a dark secret. A red flag. Meaning, a warning sign or danger signal. His rude behavior is a red flag. Ignoring these problems is a red flag. A golden rule. Meaning, an important basic rule. Honesty is the golden rule in any relationship. The golden rule of cooking is to keep it simple. A gray area. Meaning, something unclear or not clearly defined. The law here is a gray area. It's a gray area, not exactly right or wrong. A big deal. Meaning, something very important or significant. Getting this job is a big deal for me. Don't make a big deal out of it, it's not that serious. A good catch. Meaning, a person who is an excellent or ideal romantic partner. Don't let her go. She's such a good catch. He's hardworking and caring, a real good catch. A tough cookie. Meaning, a strong, determined, or resilient person. Don't mess with her. She's a tough cookie. He's a tough cookie who never gives up. A lucky break. Meaning, a fortunate or unexpected opportunity. Getting that job was a lucky break. Winning the scholarship was a lucky break for him. A silver lining. Meaning, something good that comes from a bad situation. Don't worry, there's always a silver lining to every problem. Losing that job was tough, but the silver lining is I found a better one. A smart move. Meaning, a wise or clever action. Quitting that job was a smart move. Investing early was a smart move for him. A hot topic. Meaning, something everyone is talking about. Climate change is a hot topic these days. The new government policy is a hot topic in the news. A bright future. Meaning, a hopeful or promising future. If you work hard, you'll have a bright future. She's a talented student with a bright future ahead. A tough decision. Meaning, a difficult choice to make. Leaving my job was a tough decision. Choosing a college can be a tough decision. A golden opportunity. Meaning, a rare and very good chance. This is a golden opportunity to prove yourself. Don't miss a golden opportunity like this. A sweet tooth. Meaning, a strong liking for sweets. I have a sweet tooth, so I love chocolate. He always eats dessert. He's got a sweet tooth.